One of Team KHOGC's niche services, developed in-house, is the testing, refit, restoration and protection of condenser coils used in air conditioning systems for large facilities such as hospitals, shopping centers and hotel resorts. Units are inspected and assessed on their condition and for signs of damage to the coil surface, the microchannels, the tube headers and other fittings. Units are prepped and pressure tested at 1000 kPa, 145 psi, to check for leaks in the headers and the microchannels. If leaks are detected in the microchannels, the condenser coil is unrepairable and will need to be replaced. Units are then prepped for the cleaning process. All copper elbows and tube spigots are removed, and the frame surfaces are bristle blasted back to bare metal. Open inlets are sealed to allow for cleaning to commence. The coil surfaces are then high-pressure water cleaned using airless coil cleaner, rinsed, and then left to dry. New custom fabricated aluminium tube spigots are then TIG welded to the header. After welding, test plugs are inserted and units are again pressure tested at 1000 kPa, 145 psi, for leaks in the new welds and units overall. Once passed, units are ready for the next step in the process. New custom fabricated copper headers are then fitted to the tube spigots in same the format as before removal. Sealed sections, including an air pressure valve, are brazed onto the ends of the new headers to assist with the final pressure testing. A pressure test with a minimum pressure of 1500 kPa or 220 psi and a maximum of 1800 kPa or 262 psi is done to check for leaks where the headers are fitted. Once passed, we move on to the coating protection. Frames and fittings are masked for protection, then the coil microchanneled surface is coated with airless guard, corrosion protection, in a 3-stage process, and allowed to dry. The perimeter of the coil surface is then masked up for protection, and the frames are primed with Dulux Zincanode 402 2-pack primer. We then apply a finishing coat, using Dulux Weathermax HBR. A final pressure test is performed to ensure there are no leaks. Once passed, the pressure is then reduced to 200 kPa, or 29 psi for storage and transport. The condenser coils are ready to be put back to work. For any information regarding this, or any other KHOGC projects, call or email Matt at KHOGC. Thanks for watching.